orphan present.
Somebody clip that.
There. I don't know this. Oh yeah, it's fucking pretty simple.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go inside. Yeah, guys, this is my $3 million house tour. Let's go upstairs.
Yeah, please give me a tour.
This is where I jerk off every night, and this is a mirror so I can look at myself and jerk off. This is my cupboard. I sit in here to jerk off as well.
Okay, I see.
In here, this is my son's room. He likes to sit here and look at his computer and jerk off as well.
Okay. Right.
This is the bathroom. I also like to come here to jerk off.
Okay, I see.
This is my other son's room. He is British and American somehow, and he likes to sit here and jerk off. He also likes to sit in here and jerk off.
Right, okay. Is there any other?
Oh yeah, and this is where my this is where I Wait, over here. This is where my guests come to jerk off. And they also like to jerk off in here. My guests.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they also like to jerk off in here and in here.
Okay, I see. Is there anywhere that you shit?
No, we just jerk off in our house.
Okay, I see.
And so this is where we like come down to the kitchen. Come down to the kitchen. Come down to the kitchen. Where are you? Okay, I'm in the kitchen.
There's a fucking taco here.
Oh yeah, hey. Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat your fucking taco.
Yeah, this is that's we make everything out of cum, piss, and period blood here.
Really?
Yeah. So that's what you're eating right now.
Oh,
Come into the hallway. Come into the ominous hallway. This is where we clean our cum rags.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is our garage where we hide the kids.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I thought they were
This is where we eat. The piss, cum, and period blood. Yep.
Hey,
This is where we watch pornos.
Really?
Yep.
Let's sit. I seem to have fallen through the floor.
Oh my god. Let's go over here. Let's go over here.
Okay.
Okay, what? Fuck. Okay, join me. What the fuck? It just teleported me to Among Us Tycoon.
What the? You want to play Among Us Tycoon?
No. Test. Which one should I be? Which type of you're on. Wait, you're on Facebook. Say hi.
I'm outside your window. I tried to say.
They are watching you.
I received 50.
Hi, I'm your emo teacher. Wait.
I'll sit at the front.
Hi, I'm your emo teacher. Item.
Oh my god.
I just put it down there.
Okay,
Wait.
I love it.
Wanna buy a dildo? Wanna buy a dildo? Pink king size. Oh, there's a medical den. Okay, I'm over here.
Yeah, give me my prostate exam.
It's time for your feasting exam.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'll get up here like this.
Okay, stay, okay. How is that not attention?
Oh my god. Butt pausing. Butt pausing.
I was trying to do butt, but it didn't work.
Ah, yes. Hey, doctor, do I have cancer?
Yeah. Oh, you're fine. Wait, no.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
Well, guess you're not fine then. What? What would? The wolf adventure, okay? This was an amazing.
I rate this game 9 out of 10.
I think that this was a great life-changing experience. Penis.
Yeah.
Bye.